Here we are in 2023. Are you ready? Let's get you the right crypto wallet for 2023. Before we get into this, I have to inform you that there are a plethora of options when it comes to crypto wallets. I will look at but a few of them, but these are the main ones. I have personal experience with all of these, and I know how they work. I know them inside out, and I understand them. This is not financial advice by any means. I am not affiliated to any of these wallets, and I do not get sponsored in any way by any of them. So this is my honest review of these wallets. Let's get into it. Exodus. Exodus was founded in 2015 by JP Richardson and Daniel Castagnoli. JP Richardson is a well-known programmer in the blockchain environment. Daniel Castagnoli comes from an animation background and has worked with brands like Apple and Disney. And between the two, you can understand why Exodus looks as incredible as it does. So Exodus is a good-looking, non-custodial, BIP39 supporting, and very affordable wallet to use. They charge between 2 and 4% depending on what you do, but most of the features are completely free. To hold currency, to receive currency, to send currency, all of those are for free. It's only when you swap currencies or buy crypto through the third party called Ramp that your actions will attract some fees. Exodus supports multiple devices going from desktop, mobile, and also a Web3 wallet that acts as a Chrome browser installment. These wallets are packed with features ranging from built-in exchange, managing your cold storage, Web3 integration, dApps, staking, and many, many more. It's also a very easy to use wallet. You can literally install it, and seasoned professionals in crypto and beginners will basically be on the same page because it's really easy to understand and to use. Exodus is a really good wallet to start off with or to use as your main wallet. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a mobile-based wallet that was started in 2017 by Viktor Radchenko. Soon afterwards, in July of 2018, Binance stepped in and bought Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet's code is open source, and Binance decided to make it a free wallet to expand the services offered by Binance. Trust Wallet supports more than 4.5 million assets on this one platform, which means if you can't find a wallet that supports whatever you're looking for, Trust Wallet is the one to go with. Trust Wallet is a great example of what you see is what you get. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial BIP39 supporting hot wallet, and it works. It just works. Trust Wallet has a very clean interface, very easy to use, and it's very beginner friendly. It's got a built-in exchange, it's very safe to use, and everything is there. Everything that you need is in one place. Trust Wallet is one of my personal main wallets, and I do suggest that you check them out. Well, remember, everything that I refer to, or every wallet that I talk about in this video, has a link in the description below. So you can check out anything at any time. Just go down to the description, click on them, go wild, and subscribe while you're there. Just click on the subscribe button. Metamask. Metamask is a browser extension that lives on Chrome. Click over here and type in your password, and you're ready to go. Metamask is also a non-custodial wallet that supports BIP39. Metamask is a really nice wallet, but it is a very focused wallet. It only supports ERC20 tokens, Ethereum, USDC, and USDT. However, it does support swapping tokens, you can hold NFTs, you can support your hardware wallets. So in short, Metamask is a very nifty, easy to use, beginner-friendly wallet that is for free. They only support Ethereum and the Ethereum tokens, but that's fine if you only want to move in the Ethereum environment. So Metamask, in my opinion, is a very good wallet to just have in your arsenal. That said, they do have 30 million users worldwide. Trezor and Ledger. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to handle these two simultaneously because both of them are cold storage, both of them are non-custodial, both of them support BIP39, and both of them are hardware wallets. Both of them have incredible security, and both of them gives you the ultimate place to store your crypto. I am busy making a video about the exact differences between these two, but for now, understand that you can use any one of the two as a hardware wallet and you would be fine. A lot of people own one of each of them, and that's fine because it just gives you an added layer of security that no other wallet can give. Are these wallets essential in any crypto holder's quiver? I think that really depends on you as a person. If you feel you don't want to check your crypto every day, you just want to put it somewhere, lock it away in a safe, and forget about it for a while, then this is a great option. But also keep in mind that these wallets are expensive, and all of the hot wallets that I'm discussing in this video have sufficient security to look after your crypto. Coinbase. Before we start with Coinbase, they've got a lot of apps, so make sure that you have the right app. You're looking for the Coinbase non-custodial wallet, the one that looks like this. And make sure that you download the app from a trusted app store or from the Coinbase website itself. Coinbase is a big company that owns an exchange, a non-custodial wallet, a custodial wallet, another kind of wallet, and many, many other things. They are registered in San Francisco in the USA, and they get audited, and they actually follow all of the rules that a company is supposed to follow, and it seems like they do try and walk the straight and narrow. They have many incentives. You can spin a wheel and you get paid for starting to trade, and they actually pay you for learning about cryptocurrency. You can sign up to the wallet, do the training, and get paid because you got the training. How cool is that? Coinbase is also the only wallet on this list that actually has a card that you can use. Coinbase also has a big selection of cryptocurrencies, but they are reducing this for some reason that nobody's sure about. The thing is, they've got a very nice Web3 interface with lots of functionality. When it comes to NFTs, Coinbase only supports the Ethereum network. Coinbase makes their money mostly from trading fees, but they also charge 1% when you swap currencies or when you exchange them. So in summary then, Coinbase is a very big company with massive features and everything that you need, and actually more than what you need, and actually I think it's too much. They've got too many apps and there's just too much going on. I'm personally not a big fan of Coinbase. If you are, well, good, you won't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. I like the simplicity of the other wallets that we talk about in this video. Paper wallets. These are the most important, most low-tech wallet that everyone should have. You hear about the mnemonic that I talk about all the time, the 12-word recovery phrase that you're supposed to keep safe. Do this. I want you to go down to the description and click on the link that takes you to a QR code generator. So what I want you to do then is come over to text. By the way, you don't have to use this one. You can use any one. You can literally just search QR code generator on Google. What you then do is you come in here and you type in your 12-word recovery phrase. Now that you've written down your 12-word recovery phrase, it generates a code for you on the right side. Download that into a place anywhere on your desktop. Now, do not type in 12-word recovery phrase. Write something else like my own recipe. Something like that, and just save it. We'll save a file right over here that you can open, and your 12-word recovery phrase is stored like this. Print this, save this, put it in places where nobody but you knows what that is and where it is. That will always keep your mnemonic safe. You will always have access to any of the wallets that we spoke about today. Because if somebody has access to your 12-word recovery phrase, they have access to your money. Now, if you want to learn a few extra things about wallets, click on the video over there.